Good morning from Nagasaki. We have a full day to explore the city. We are taking a tram to go to the first location. We are making our way back to Nagasaki port area, where we are also staying. We have booked a boat tour to Gunkanjima island at 1 p.m. You have to book in advance, or these tours might be fully booked. We booked around 3 weeks in advance, but the morning tour was fully booked already. It is also possible to plan a tour with an English-speaking guide, but there was no such an option in our days in Nagasaki, so we went to the Chinese-speaking tour. It is around half an hour boat trip to the island. Gunkanjima or Hashima Island is known for its undersea coal mine, which closed in 1974 and was run by Mitsubishi Company. During the Second World War, many Koreans and Chinese were forced to work here and perform dangerous jobs in the mine. Many of these workers lost their life here. In 2015, the island was included in UNESCO World Heritage with the condition that info about forced labor would be displayed, which haven't been done till now. It makes me wonder what the Chinese guide were telling everyone in the tour, probably just the official version of a happy coal mine island. You can only walk together with your guide and other people on the tour, and you can only use the designed paths, which are very limited. The boat also goes around the island, so you can see it from all sides. The island is a bit similar to a battleship, that's why it's also called the Battleship Island. A James Bond movie was also partly shot on the island. As the daylight will end soon, we are going to Nagasaki Ropeway, and their gondola will take us to the most famous viewing platform of Nagasaki, Inasayama Observatory. It is said to be one of the top 3 night views in the world, and it really has great views of surrounding areas. It is even possible to see the Gunkanjima island from here. Many people have gathered here to watch the sunset and see many lights slowly show up throughout the city. Thank you for watching and see you soon.